It's now time for Check Me Out, our weekly showcase of Nigerians achieving amazing things around the world. Yemisi Osakwe has founded a non-governmental organization focused on improving the well-being of vulnerable groups in Nigeria. The public health professional is also working to develop the country's healthcare research while also ensuring access to quality care. Let's check her out.
My name is Yemisi Osakwe. I'm the co-founder of F.I.V.E Foundation. Check me out. I come from two generations of medical professionals, so both my maternal grandmother and grandfather healthcare professionals in their field. They're both professors. For secondary school, I went to Cheltenham Ladies College, which is a boarding school in Gloucestershire. I studied all three sciences as well as philosophy and ethics for my A-levels. Then I went on to Durham University, where I studied anthropology and sociology. It's a joint degree. Then I moved on to my master's at Imperial College, where I studied public health. I did a third degree, which was a medical school, graduate medical program in Nottingham. However, after the first 2 years, I dropped out. Of course, it was initially a setback, and I was quite disheartened. However, because of the fact that I had a lot of support from my family, which is extremely crucial, and my friends, I decided that being a failure is not the end all. You can just use your learnings and make sure that it pushes you even harder and further and where you're supposed to go. In the diaspora, it's a lot easier to donate to a random charity because you think, oh, it's fine and it's safe. Whereas in Nigeria, unfortunately, that's not the case. And that's something that we wanted to help and say, no, people are doing good things and it's not just they're just keeping the money for themselves. That's not the case at all. The initial fundraising activity and what also brought on the name of F.I.V.E Foundation was that we asked people through social media to either run or walk 5K or do 50 jumping jacks and donate 5,000 naira to our organization. And then we said we'll pick 5 charities or non-governmental organizations that are doing good work and distribute that money to them. And we were able to get more donations, not just in the amount of 5,000 naira, but more. And a lot of people in the diaspora as well were benefiting us and donating. And we were just able to donate to those 5 organizations in a much shorter amount of time that we realized. And right now, yes, we're focused on within Nigeria, but it doesn't necessarily have to be like that. Who knows where we can grow out to? But the key is African people, African population, and for those that are in need, those who are vulnerable, those who have suffered from emergencies, not just COVID related, but in their day-to-day lives or in the future. That's the goal of F.I.V.E Foundation. The majority of 2020 for all of us all over the world has been in home because of COVID. And to me, that meant that I wanted to make my surroundings more uplifted, whether it's through artwork, through my plants, through our dog that we have. And that's just really what gives me pride right now, because we're not able to leave our house so much. So it's to make sure that indoors is a safe, uplifting environment when we're also worried about what's going on around the world. My name is Yemisi Osakwe. I'm the co-founder of F.I.V.E Foundation, and you just checked me out.
Okay, let's now take a quick reminder of our top story for today. We looked at the impact of fake news on the society and how to fact-check information before you share. Do keep in touch with us on Twitter at @GistNigeriaTV. And for more on any of our stories, visit bbc.com/Africa and channelstv.com. Thank you for staying with us. Let's do this again next week, same time and same place. I am Wale Fakile. See you then.